If your Chevy Trax refuses to launch Apple CarPlay, the fix is usually a simple setting or a bad cable. Statistically, over 80% of connection issues are solved just by switching to a high-quality certified cable. Let's walk through the steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start by ensuring Siri is enabled and your phone is set to allow CarPlay even when the screen is locked. On your iPhone, check for screen time restrictions and try forgetting the vehicle to start a fresh pairing. Inside the truck's menu, verify that Apple CarPlay is actually toggled on in the connectivity settings. A soft reset usually fixes temporary glitches, but persistent black screens might require a factory reset of the head unit. As you can see, the vast majority of Trax owners find the issue lies in the cable or the phone software. If the screen is frozen, perform a full power cycle by opening the driver door to kill the accessory power. Don't forget to check for pocket lint in your phone's port, which can prevent a solid data connection. Most owners waste hours on settings when a simple original Apple cable was the solution all along. If these steps helped get your Chevy Trax back online, subscribe for more automotive tech fixes.